Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable the shutter click on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your camera application on your iPhone, and as you can see, for example, when I try to click a picture, you can see the sound coming from my device. And when you to solve that, you can just simply pull out this button here over here. As you can see, when I click it downside, you can see now the ringtone has been turned off. So whenever I click it back, as you can see, no sound is being out from the iPhone device. So that is it, guys. That is exactly probably the easiest method you could do to solve this issue. And if you want to turn back the ringtone on, then simply click this upside, and as you can see, the ringtone has been restored. And don't forget to turn off this live option here, guys. And whenever I click the photo after turning that off, as you can see, the sound has been restored like this. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this in the future.